Hello everyone. Today we are going to solve the daily question of our LeetCode. That is question number 2182. Construct string with repeat limit. So what this question asks us that you are given a string s and an integer repeat limit. Construct a new string that is repeat limited string using the character of s such that no letter appears more than a limit times in a row. You do not have to use all string from s. So these are the basically condition. The main thing you have to see this, that is lexicographically largest repeat limited string possible. So let's see, a string a is lexically larger than a string b if the first option where a and b differ. String a has a letter that appears later in the alphabet than corresponding letter in b. If the first mean of a dot length, b dot length character does not differ, then the longer string is the lexically larger one. Okay, I know you will not understand by reading this, so no need to worry, I will explain in my whiteboard. So first is our core that is success does not come overnight. It's built day by day with hard work, discipline and persistence. Means you should be consistent about your work. Okay, so let's begin. So today's question is our string question. Okay, so how we will solve? So see, we have it given, suppose s1 has been given this, okay, and s2 has given this, and the limit has been given 3 limit means we can repeat the letter 3 times only. So here you can see that c has been come 4 times, so I have written here 4. A has come 2 times, I have written 2, and b has come so on and so on, right? 1. So if you see this, which one is bigger? So bigger is our c. Okay, I am not telling C bigger by seeing the frequency, but if you see in alphabetical order, then the C is larger. If you see that A, B, C, then you will understand that it's come from 1, 2 and then 3. So 3 is larger and 3 index value is C. So that's why I'm telling that C is larger. Okay, so what's this command? 3 limit means we will use this 3 times, so 1 is left, and we will write this 3 times, so like this c, c and c. After that we will see which one is larger. So between a and b, a is large, b is larger basically, so it's become 0 and we plus here b. Now between a and c, and obvious c is, so we will write c, cut it, write it 0, and then our a, cut it and write it 0 and write here a. So this is our string. Okay, and if our goal is to build the lexical largest string with where no same character occurs more than the repeat limits, that means repeat limits, these repeat limits will be given in our question. Okay, now the main thing that you should know, that what is lexicographically. So suppose we have been given this a, b, a, c, so which one is greater between these? So as you can see that here a, here is a, so same, b and b same, but if you see here a and here b, so you will understand that I have told that b is larger than a because b comes after the m. Okay, so here our s2 is larger. Okay, it may be of different size, maybe means it will be smaller than our s1. So if you see here this is means same, if you see here it's different, b and c, so c is larger, and you don't have to focus on the length. I know this length is 3 and this length is 2, but still our s2 is larger. Why? Because as I told that we have to see this lexicographical. Okay, now one more example. If you see this, Suppose S1 is given A, B, B, and has given A, B. So between this, which one is larger? Here we will consider about the length, because the prefix of S2 is our S1, means you can see that same, but here is extra B, here is no, so we will see that S1 is larger than S2. Okay, so this is the basically the today's question. I hope you understand this. Now let's go to our code part. So first our approach will be using two pointer approach. After that we will solve it by our heap. Okay, so let's begin. First of all, what we will do, first we will declare our vector, that is our integer, and count will be size of 26 comma 0. Okay, then for char of ch in string that is given in the question, we can say that our count will be ch minus of our alphabet. Okay, and then our string we are declaring as result, means our result is in the form of string. Okay, now I am declaring I as 25. Okay, means they start from the last element. As you know that there is a 26 alphabet in our English. So while our I is greater than equal to 0, we will see if our count of I is equal to 0, then we can say that decrement it. Okay, and continue. Okay, and then character ch is a plus of I, means it will go to next character by adding. Okay, and let's say our frequency will calculate by using min function between our count of I and repeat limit. This already given in question, this one. Okay, then our result dot append, means we are basically adding it with our character, and then our count of I will minus it with our frequency. If our count of I is still greater than 0, then we can say that our j will be I minus 1. Okay, while our j is greater than equal to 0 and count of j is equal to our 0, then we will decrement our j by 1, and if our j is greater than, means less than 0, not greater than function we have done here, means less than 0, then we will break it and give out from the loop. Okay, now we will push back our a plus the value of j to our string and just decrement our j, and then return our result. So this is basically our code is. First we are declaring our vector count, then we will increment our count, and we are store declare our result as a string, as because this is the string question. And then we will check our condition that I have taught in our whiteboard. Now just run it. Okay, there is a error in network. So there is a error in the network, so I have fixed that. Now just run it. So as you can see, it got accepted. Now just submit it and see our final result. So as you can see, it got accepted. Hope you understand it. Now one more thing I will show in this video, that how can you solve it by using heap. Okay, so before that, let me tell you about the time complexity and space complexity. By using this vector, our space complexity will be of 26. Okay, because it stored 26 alphabets, and the time complexity will be our big O of n. Okay, this is our time complexity. And if you see here, this loop, this will also take big O of 26. Okay, and the rest part is fine, and here the same of big O of 26. Okay, so the time complexity is basically big O of n, and the space complexity is big O n, big O of our size of our alphabets in English. Okay, so I can do the heap problem, but I will not do in this, otherwise this video will be large. Leave that heap now. Keep learning and keep exploring. Thanks for watching.